Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear professional, today the topic of our discussion is very vast. That is ChatGPT versus Google Bard. We will try to explain it in such a way that everyone, either professional or a beginner, may benefit from it. Dear professional, the two AI chatbots were recently launched in the market. One is ChatGPT and other one is Google Bard. ChatGPT was launched on November 30th, 2022 by a company named as OpenAI. And by December 4, 2022, ChatGPT had over 1 million users. So it was a big achievement and it really disrupted the internet community. Google chatbot named as Google Bard initially started inviting users on March 21st, 2023. However, Google Bard was launched on May 10, 2023. For the beginners, let us discuss a few terms that what is chatbot, what is AI and what is GPT. Chatbot is a computer program designed to simulate conversation with human users, especially over the internet. And AI stands for artificial intelligence, while GPT stands for Generative Pre-trained Transformer. Basically, GPT is a large language model which is used in neural networks and it can perform various natural language processing tasks. In artificial intelligence, NLP stands for natural language processing. So these tasks are such as answering the question, summarizing the text, and even generating the lines of code as the human beings do. So both ChatGPT and Google Bard are natural language processing tools which are driven by AI technology that allows us to have human-like conversation with the chatbot or with the machine. This video will explore various methods to utilize Google Bard or ChatGPT to generate passive income in 2023. So now let us discuss what is the difference between Google Bard and ChatGPT. One of the major difference between ChatGPT and Google Bard is their access to internet. Bard can draw its responses from the internet in real time, while ChatGPT relies on the dataset that only goes up to until September 2021. Bard is powered by a different language model than the ChatGPT and uses different sources of data to construct its answer. Bard is trained on an infinite set of data chosen to enhance its dialogue and has access to internet in real time, whereas ChatGPT is trained on a predefined set of data that has not been updated since 2021. Now let us see how can we use Google Bard and ChatGPT. First of all, go to Google search bar and write there Google Bard. As I am writing here Google Bard, it will show on the link interface. Click on the Google Bard and this will appear. Click on Meet Google Bard. After clicking on that, this window will appear and it tells about the Google Bard, that what is all it is all about. Try Google Bard. Click on the Try Bard. This terms and conditions screen will appear. Accept all the terms and conditions, and then a prompt uh, screen will appear in which we can communicate with Google Bard in such a way that we are communicating with a human being. So let's see that Bard will not. It says Bard will not always be right and such like of things. So enter a prompt here. So we are asking latest information from Google Bard that what happened on 9th of May. And if we write same thing in the ChatGPT would not be able to answer this because they have they have the data set till to September 2021. They have no information after 2021, but Google Bard is working on real time information. So I said Google Bard to bring information that what happened on 9th of May in Pakistan, and it brought all the information for you that on 9th of May 2023 Prime Minister Imran Khan was arrested, and so everything is present in this article. So you can write your article in content writing, in making a video, in YouTube video, or in marketing something. So we can take benefit of this AI technology in such a way that we can market our products, we can do affiliate marketing, we can make videos from this. Everything can be done uh, by using these AI technologies. Now let's see. I asked Google Bard to write a code for contact us page for my website. If you are a developer, software developer, and if you have some issues in writing a code, uh, then you can take a help from Google Bard or ChatGPT. I have seen that in writing a code, ChatGPT is much more efficient as compared to Google Bard. For example, I have asked the Google Bard to write a code for contact us page, and it has written a simple HTML code for my website, and all the contents, name, message, subject, everything is being shown here. However, I will show at the end of the video that when I will ask ChatGPT to write a code for contact us page for my company, that produces CSS code, Java code, PHP code, whatever you ask, that produces in a very efficient way. So in that way, ChatGPT seems to be very efficient. Now I say that write a code for in Python for you can say Fibonacci number. So I'm writing here that write a code in Python for Fibonacci number. So it will generate a code of Fibonacci number in Python. If you will write a code in C++ for Fibonacci number, it will generate code in C++. And if you ask the bot to write a code for Fibonacci number in Java language, it will create the same code in Java language. So you can learn from here that you can learn the syntax of the language, and you can learn that how to code, what are the best practices for code. So it has created a code of, I think, first 1 2 3 4 5 6 and let's see what it says, 20 for first 20 Fibonacci number. You can increase whatever is the requirement for you. So I asked the Google Bard that please write a what I can say, what should I write? Yes, let's see. Please write. You can say. Please write an introduction to my company, which is in healthcare sector. So I asked Google Bard to write an introduction page or introductory page of my website for healthcare company. So let's say you are in a healthcare company, or you are in a recruitment company, or any company you are in any industry you can ask Google Bard to write a introductory page uh, for your company. So here it comes. Company name is a leading provider healthcare solutions and provided medical solutions, and so everything it has written that the company is partnership with the affiliations and everything. It has created a, you can say, a structure for your knowledge, and you can add some more things to your company names and other values and something like this into it, and you can write the introduction of your company in best possible way. And now let us see. I asked that what are best top 10 beautiful mosques. Let us see mosque, beautiful mosque in the world. So let's see what Google bring for us. Google Bard bring for us. If you kindly note that if you write the same thing in Google it will bring website links or other things, but here it is fetching all the information, real time information. It will fetch the information to the top 10 best beautiful mosques in the world, and it will present you. You would not to go on every website or an every link and to find what they have written. It will bring, look at that, it brought blue mosque, Taj Mahal mosque, and Nasrul Mulk mosque. So all the mosques and their details has been provided. Sheikh Zayed Grand Mosque is, so Blue Mosque is Sheikh Zayed Mosque is in United Arab Emirates, and Blue Mosque is the most iconic mosque. So it's all information it has gathered from the internet sources and provided a summary in front of you. So you do not need a virtual assistant. You just ask Google Bard to write for something for you, and it will bring these things for you. Now I say that who is the current let's say Prime Minister of Pakistan. So it will bring the information that who is current Prime Minister of Pakistan and such like thing. So let's see what it brings. And many people can take advantage of using this technology. Students can take advantage of writing their code, and teachers can take help in getting the beautiful content in delivering a lecture, or the content writer can take advantage of this technology. Now let's go search for ChatGPT. Write a ChatGPT in the Google search bar and click on it. Introducing to ChatGPT, click on ChatGPT, and here this screen will support try ChatGPT. Click on try ChatGPT. This screen will appear same like that Google Bard, and it is this chatbot. It is ready to communicate with you and provide you information. So you need to log in here. I am already logged in here, so that's why this screen is appearing. So I am writing the same question which I wrote in the Google Bard, that what happened on 9th of May in Pakistan. So this tells that limited knowledge of world and events after 2021. Check out this, what the ChatGPT is saying, that they are last updated till September 2021. Therefore I am unable to provide specific details about the events. So they are updated till September 2021. The only drawback is this. But if you write a code in ChatGPT, the ChatGPT is very efficient in writing code, and it will write a best code for you. So I have asked the same question, that write a code for contact us page for my website, and it is, look at that, it is writing a code, and it is writing a dynamic code, and it has writing a CSS codes as well. So you can learn best programming practices from ChatGPT as well. So this code has been written. You can see that your contact submit.php page has been created. So this is an example of HTML and CSS code written for contact us page for our website. You can copy this code and write to your website, and the page will be created. Now I say write a code, same question which I have written in the previous Google Bard. I have say that write a code in Python for Fibonacci number. So let's see, it has the code is same. Look at that, the code written in the Python language in Google Bard was different, and the code written in the for Fibonacci number in the ChatGPT is different, and it has created, you can say, n plus 1, and it has n is for example, it has taken n is equal to 10, while Google Bard has taken n is equal to 20. So there is difference in coding practices, and I personally believe that ChatGPT is more advanced in writing a code for any subject. Now I say to ChatGPT, thanks. Let's see what it says. It says, you are welcome, I am glad to help you. If you have any question, kindly let me know. So I see all the previous one, and I am happy. I am much more happy that all things which I wanted to know or have been answered. So I am very much happy. So I will write again. Uh, uh, you can say I write again that thanks a lot. So let's see what is the answer. Thanks a lot is written. The answer would be different. Thanks a lot. You are welcome. I am here to help you. So look at that. The answer for every question is different. Now the question is, which chatbot is better? In my point of view, Google Bard is better as compared to ChatGPT, as Google Bard provide real-time information while ChatGPT has some limitations. However, in writing a code, ChatGPT was seen much more efficient as compared to Google Bard. But with respect to time, maybe Google Bard will improve this thing as well. So this is all about comparison of ChatGPT and Bard. So we can take advantage of this AI technology in content writing, in marketing, in code writing, and in virtual assistant, in affiliate marketing. So there are multi-purpose advantages of using these AI technologies. Best of luck for your future. Thank you very much. God bless you all. Kindly do subscribe to our channel for further updates. Thank you very much and stay blessed.